aí, galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2. Peço para todos que estiverem chegando, deixa um like. Não vai custar nada participar da comunidade do Discord, participe da Twitch. Bom, galera, hoje eu vou dar uma adiantada na gameplay aqui do Red Dead 2. Que o último episódio, eu trouxe, nós começamos o capítulo 6 aqui, né? Isso mesmo. Hoje, dependendo da data que vocês estão vendo, é domingo de noite, né? Dia 14. Deixa gravando. Eu vou dar uma adiantada no Red Dead aqui. Que eu quero terminar logo. Quero trazer novos jogos pro canal. E o pessoal que estiver vendo pela Twitch, estiver vendo a live ao vivo, toda vez que eu faço live aqui na Twitch, eu reposto o vídeo depois no meu canal principal. Quem quiser ver, tá lá os vídeos, tudo gravado no Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Beleza, galera? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Tá lá pra todo mundo que quiser ver, acompanhar. Então o negócio é o seguinte, galera. Começamos o capítulo 6. A gente foi com o Charles explorar a terra, a nova terra, do Annisburg, né? No último episódio, a gente enfrentou os Murphys no acampamento deles, porque Dutch, a gente saiu de Lagar para um novo acampamento. Fazer a mudança, que é o acampamento Piffer Hollow. É Piffer Hollow que fala? Aí depois disso, depois da mudança do acampamento, os ânimos à flor da pele, a, a outra esposa do Tim endoideceu. A Molly, o Sheia, eu acho que é Molly, né? Ela alega que denunciou para os Pinkertons a localização. Mais um membro morto, né? Já não basta o Roséia e o outro lá, como chama? Morrer. O Zé era o cabeça da gangue, né? Foi uma grande perca naquele assalto do Banco Santenista. E por fim, nós descobrimos que o grande evento que o Arthur aqui tá com tuberculose. Vamos lá. Estamos usando Denise aqui, ó. Aos olhos do Arthur.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Cortamos perto do hotel. Estamos com as bases cheias.
Hey, mister. Hello.
Hello. Pera aí.
Mister. Praise God, small mercies. Excellent. No matter how much I work, I can't seem to keep my head above water.
Hello, mister. Oh, that did I see. Got to buy food.
Vamos lá. Ah, é o Lenny. É o Lenny que morre. É isso mesmo que eu tava. Vamos dar prosseguimento aqui. Hoje assim, a gente tem uma missão. Eu vou dar prosseguimento a uma missão principal. Eu já vou começar já. Vamos resgatar o... Opa. O que temos aqui? Missão secundária. Uma e 12 no jogo.
What trouble's in your dumb head?
Vamos já fazer a missão aqui do resgate ao John Marston. A Sadie tá nos esperando aqui. Ícaro e amigos.
Any problems
Faz
coming
o
in?
reconhecimento, né?
Guess they know now we ain't in the city.
Who, Mr. Milton's friends?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they've
those
had
amigos are
patrols
mute.
out ever since you boys disappeared. Well, at least you're alive.
For now, yeah.
Por enquanto,
What
sim.
happened in,
Guarma,
yeah,
Em Guarma,
nothing nice.
nada
what
agradável.
happened to Dutch? 'Cause he seems...
I don't know. Seems as
Eu não sei.
what began happening in Blackwater began happening years ago, maybe.
Há anos,
So
talvez.
decline, I guess.
What do you mean?
I ain't quite sure.
Não tenho certeza.
What happened here?
I started
Well, já
gathering
anoiteceu.
people up as best I could after you boys left. And John, you know that part.
Ah, temos que fazer o reconhecimento primeiro, né?
So that too.
So, we got Lenny's body out as well. Arrived the morgue and buried them together. Follow me.
Enterrou eles juntos aonde? Você que fez o enterro do Zé e do Lenny? Entendi.
So, what's your plan here?
Well, I figure before we do anything, we need to make sure John's even still at this prison.
And how do we do that?
We need to get up high enough to get a proper look at the place.
Ah, subir alto bastante.
It's on an island, ain't it? Unless you're planning on learning how to fly.
That's exactly what we're gonna do. I found us a hot air balloon.
You ain't serious.
Now, the pilot,
Você tá brincando?
whatever you call him, he thinks we're just in it for a lesson. Bit of a tour. He's quite the character. I think you'll like him.
No. I'm
Calma aí. Essa missão aqui, essa área toda nós vamos explorar ainda.
impressed. You really stamped things up, ain't you?
Hey, we didn't know if he was even coming back. Whole thing hit folks real hard. You can see it. Karen's gone falling fully into the bottle. Strauss is a bag of nerves. Swanson's actually gone and cleaned up his act.
O referente
So, I
Watson.
guess it ain't all gone to shit. I'm just happy you boys were able to find us.
Ele
I hear
conseguiu nos
say you
achar.
got
O
a letter
referente
I left
Watson
at the
sumiu,
post
né?
office.
That was a good idea.
Until
Foi uma ideia
the
boa.
showed up.
Um balão, um balão.
Shit, you.
A gente vai sobrevoar.
From here on the ground, yes.
Mr. Bullard? Mr. Bullard,
Ah, Mrs. Adler! Good to see you! Good to see you!
this is my friend I told you about,
Ah.
Mr. Morgan.
Ah, yes, Arturo Bullard. At
Senhor
your service,
Arthur
sir,
Bullard.
at your
Eu sou
service.
Duarte, senhor.
Arthur Morgan.
Well, it's a nice, fresh day for flying, sir. A day like
Ótimo
today,
dia pra
Nichols
voar,
will take
senhor.
across the sea.
Ih,
You're
cara,
from
seria...
sir.
O nome dele é o quê? Senhor Bullard?
It's quite a thing. Quite a thing.
Uma experiência e tanto.
Put these on. and
Coloque
hop in.
isso e suba a bordo.
Well, ain't she coming?
Ah, well,
Ela não
women
vem.
can't fly, sir. Are you insane?
Nós não podem. Você
Oh,
está
no,
louco?
sir. It does terrible damage to them, to their vapors. I thought everyone knew about
Ah,
that.
Boris.
Why, a
Ah,
delicate flower like Mrs. Adler? heavens above or below. Ah,
Where'd you find this guy?
I told you two would get on.
Eu disse que vocês iriam se
Are you
entender.
sure about this?
certain, sir. Quite certain. Mrs., let us away. Wish us luck. I've only crashed twice.
Ah, legal, né? Vai controlar um balão.
And hope for the best.
You boys have fun.
How did you get out of
Ah.
this?
O nome é o seu,
Give it a
qual?
good yank. Don't be shy. Okay, here goes nothing.
Legal.
Time to catch a few vapors of our own. It's a little overcast, but I'm expecting some good wind once we're high enough. We should still have some decent views over the river. Now, one hates to be coarse, but on the subject of ablutions, liquids on the side, solids, do your utmost to levy the situation until we land.
Legal, conheci os Ardes aqui.
I had a
A
client
missão é uma
once
das
who
mais
fell
legais
foul
da
to
hora.
a rotten oyster on the ascent. A decidedly harrowing experience for all involved. Keep going, sir. We need to get up above the clouds. It really is stunning up there. You'll have seen nothing like it. But don't stop, sir. We should keep ascending.
E a gente cair.
We aren't high enough yet. Give it a good pull there. Very good. Keep doing what you're doing.
Cala a boca, tô zoando você. O balão hoje em dia é perigoso. Quem precisa acender de balão já
Steady wins
aconteceu.
the race. Keep on
Essa é a única fase do jogo que a gente sobe. Tem que fazer o reconhecimento da prisão. Que é aqui, ó. A prisão que é nessa ilha localizada. Que a gente vai explorar. Aham.
All right then, let's break through these clouds. We won't get anywhere fast if you don't use the burner, sir.
Pô, além das nuvens.
My God.
Yes, heavenly indeed. Quite remarkable, isn't it? Feels like we have a nice westerly wind, so keep
Oh,
around
dear.
this hut. This particular vessel is state of the art, sir. Imported from Europe. You won't find more than a couple of these on this side of the pond.
So long as it works.
Whoa there, no need
O
to
indicador de
rely
botão do super ficará vermelho se você estiver subir demais. É, vou
Sure you
apertar
shouldn't
até
be
demais.
doing this.
No, not at all. A child could operate this with a little supervision. Besides, Mrs. Adler told me you were very keen to learn the ropes.
E o vento não levou.
Plenty of those.
She did she?
Okay, we're getting a little high now. We need to be lower. There's not enough wind at this altitude. Arthur and Arturo. How perfect is this? My mother was a keen student of the Italianate. My brother's called Baldessario, so you could say I got off lightly.
Look, I'm trying to concentrate here.
Maybe ease off the throttle there, sir.
Legal o mapa de cima e dá pra ver.
The ablutions discussion.
Well, just say the word. So, if I may ask, what got you interested in the pursuit of aviation?
I didn't exactly. Mrs. Adler thought she'd surprise me.
Ah, a very nice one. And no shrinking violet.
Definitely not.
I prefer slightly more feminine attire on a lady, but variety is the very spice of life, as they say. Or is it, though? Did you know they locked up the man who wrote that in a mental asylum?
I did not, Mr. Bullard.
Uma área de prisão.
See that building up ahead on the island? That's the infamous Sissica Penitentiary.
Penitenciária Sisica. Ah,
You shouldn't fly too near to it, though, sir.
Sorry, we're going in for a closer look.
What do you mean?
é onde o John tá preso, né?
Mr. Morgan, please, this is most irregular.
You want a happy customer, don't you?
Look, this isn't funny now. What on earth are you doing? The guards are bound to spot us.
Calm down. They won't care if we stay high enough. I'm just looking for a friend of mine.
A friend?
Nossa!
The bastard has a habit of being in the
Primeira vez que estamos sobrevoando a penitenciária Sisica.
wrong place at the wrong time. I heard they got him working in the fields in a chain gang.
Dear God.
O Martin os guardas não alertou ainda, né?
The wind. This is most unusual.
Relax, Mr. Bullard. Take over. Keep us well away.
I'll do my best. This filly isn't the easiest to control, you know. Please hurry.
That's not him. On this field.
Look a little suspicious, wouldn't you say? What about on the left there?
No, not there.
Maybe try looking lower down. Should we, think about heading back?
Nossa, penitenciária é grande, hein?
I can't believe we're doing this. Maybe try to your left down a bit. Is he one of those on the left? This was not the tour I had in mind.
Looks like him. It's hard to tell, though. Yeah, that's him.
Sim, é ele, é o John lá, tá acabando.
My God!
What are you doing?
Shit ass!
I can see that.
A scent! A scent!
Vai.
What happened? The wind speed is picking up. We should stay at this altitude, heading northwesterly so that should take us back to land. Dear God, I'm shaking like a leaf.
Caraca, velho.
We're in the clear now, Mr. Bullard. Get up.
Mr. Bullard.
Good Lord! My heart is
Meu
pounding.
Deus. Que da hora.
I must say, the specifics of this job are not described to me at all sufficiently.
Well, it's done now.
Já não me importa mais. Mr. Bullard. Ah, lá está Annie Burke.
Good lord. Is that Mrs. Adler?
Where?
Being chased.
Judy Adler?
Yes. Trying to get us near.
Yes.
Will there be more trouble, sir?
I expect so.
I'm starting to rather enjoy it.
Up there!
Oh, disco, né?
Arrow.
Mrs. Adler has a lot to answer for.
Yes.
I think I might need to adjust my feet.
Ela não sai de uma confusão.
The old Trisco's right now. Just right. I'll deal with him.
What a day!
Isso!
Show them, Mr. Morgan.
Sage tá seguro agora. Oh não, atiraram nele. Oh, Sr. Bullard.
Say it.
Sage,
Grab the rope. Come on. Grab the rope.
There's a bridge up ahead!
Okay. I'll come down and get you on the other side. You're getting your lamp blown out, you hear?
You're too high!
nossa, que da hora.
Almost got it! Alright, hold it there, Arthur! Got it!
Ah,
Let's get out of here! Arthur, hurry!
Sage, tá bem?
Crash.
We have a real have to see the obvious, Arthur!
Não brinca. Oh, oh!
Did you break your neck?
I don't think so. Maybe.
Damn it, look! There's more of them on the other side! They must have followed us. Get behind something. This ain't over yet.
Sage, ah.
These goddamn O'Driscolls! Just kill these sons of bitches!
Nossa, como
I only left you an hour ago. You can't stay
há
out
uma
of
hora.
trouble for one
Você não
goddamn
consegue
hour.
causar confusão
You
por uma
got that
maldita
poor
hora.
bastard jailed for his troubles. I kinda like him.
They got home.
Tem
The
me-
government.
Eles
They got
capturaram
all
como? O
Driscoll.
quê? O
They're
governo.
gonna
Eles
hang
capturaram
him
como?
in San
Eles
Diego.
Hang it. Okay.
enforcaram
He's
ele.
been tried
Certo.
twice for murder and found guilty.
Sure, no doubt he'll escape it.
Ah, sem
No,
dúvida
he
ele vai
won't,
fugir
'cause
de
we're
novo.
gonna make
Não,
sure
ele não
of
vai.
it.
Porque vamos nos certificar disso.
We have our own problems with the law in case you ain't noticed.
Don't you want to see him swing?
Sure does. He wouldn't even help
Pra-
us with
Certo.
Marston.
Ele nem ajudou a gente com o Marco.
It's really messed up right now.
É
You know
realmente
how
complicado
things is.
agora.
Bastard's gonna swing. I'm gonna
O
make sure.
desgraçado vai pra curva. E eu vou. E logo depois vai ver o
You saw
Marston.
him?
Yes.
Você viu ele? Sim. Nos campos de concentração.
Then
Ok.
go rescue him.
From a state penitentiary.
No. But from the fields? Yes. That we can manage.
It's well guarded.
Guarded, sure, but not behind bars.
Vigiado, claro, mas não atrás das grades.
No, it's not behind bars.
So, that's how we'll do it. Bust him from his work detail.
I guess.
Acho que
It's best
sim.
just the two of us go.
Two of us is all there is, anyhow.
Good. Because two is all we'll need. I'll get us a boat. A little one. And we'll sneak in and get him out of there. Meet me at Copperhead Landing. Thank you, Arthur.
Whatever you
Obrigado,
say,
Arthur.
boss.
I heard that.
Orégano, isso aqui é novo. Vamos cair fora aqui antes que as autoridades venham. Vamos ver essa pessoa aqui. Essa missão. Já que tá marcando. Ah, uma cobra. Nova espécie. É bom salvar, né?
Hey, mister. Mister? You, mister, excuse me. Hey, mister. Stupid mutt.
Tem que tomar cuidado com os Murphy aqui nessa região.
Okay. Yeah. Easy. Yeah.
Ó, os Murphy pegaram uma.
Hey, cut me loose. Sir, did you lose these ropes?
Hell,
Please.
it work you over all right.
They was gonna set fire to me. The monsters.
It's okay, you're all right now.
I thought I'd die with these animals. You're my savior, sir.
Come on, pal. Yep. Oh,
Vou voltar pra estrada.
problems is my fault. None at all. So you watch your damn tongue.
Vocês estão discutindo aí.
You're a snake.
This is the wrong time, Morgan.
Hey, only trying to improve the mood a bit.
You think that's funny?
Hi, Javier.
Won't even sit next to me no more.
Vou comer.
We are gonna be fine. I mean, sure, I know things don't seem fine right now, but I've got a feeling that they are going to be fine. There's nothing to worry.
Eu vou na fogueira aqui, primeira noite.
Believe in old Bill here, because old Bill believes in Dutch. You know, it's how a fella responds in a moment of crisis to show you who he really is. And I know as sure as the sun rises in the one place and then goes and sets in the other, that Dutch will get us out of this mess. Now, sure, we might run into another.
Galera, eu vou explorar mais essa região aqui, ó. Aqui tem missão pra caramba. Vou fazer. Ah, tem uma outra aqui, ó. Da senhora pra ajudar. Vou fazer essas missões secundárias.
5 messes down the road. Shit, we might run into a whole series of messes, but we will get to the promised land and we will be free. And for those of you who doubt it, you'll be the ones who won't make it. You can trust me on that. Trust. North to south trust. That's all I'm saying. Hi, Arthur.
Vamos dormir. Opa, tem uma carta aqui do quarto. Quem que será que escreveu? Verbet.
Dear sir, you were once
Cara,
very
senhor,
kind to Bo and
você foi
myself,
muito
and it
gentil com
pains
Bill,
me to ask
e
you
é
to show us
compensar que
further
peço
kindness.
toda gentileza.
But I have nowhere else to turn, and nobody
Mas
else
não tem a
upon
quem
whom I
recorrer,
can
ninguém a quer
impose.
pedir a mim.
I will of course pay you handsomely
Você
for your
será, claro,
troubles.
muito bem
My
recompensado por
family
isso.
have turned quite mad, and
Minha
are
família ficou
threatening to
furiosa,
send me
ameaça
away
mandar-me
to stop
embora
my work,
e
which
parar
they
meu
say is
trabalho.
disgracing them.
Nossa.
As if their history of absolute moral depravity, utter
Ah,
debauchery, and
depravação moral,
perpetual
libertinagem,
drunkenness did not
embriaguez
disgrace
eterna.
them enough.
Nossa, desgraçasse
I
bastante.
must escape, yet I am kept prisoner here. Can you help? Most days I am to be found
Can
at
you
the
help?
cabins on the plantation. The main house and all it stood for are thankfully no more.
Ah,
Yours faithfully, Penelope
cordialmente.
Braithwaite.
Penelope Braithwaite. Ah, outra missão apareceu. Legal, legal. Eles precisam de ajuda. Um tempo depois nós vai fazer essa missão.
What?
Damn drunk. Hey, up.
Sleeping, Arthur. Damn it, Arthur. Hey, sleep.
Good morning.
Arthur. Mr. Morgan.
E aí, Strauss?
There's
Tem mais
Strauss.
serviço de agiotagem pra nós?
How are you?
About how I look.
Okay. Are you perhaps available for some work?
Debtors?
Disponível para
Yes.
trabalhar?
Your commitment to your
Excuse me.
duties is admirable. You know, Mr. Morgan, you are... Well, I'm sorry for you. No, never mind. I didn't...
Look,
You
Strauss.
take care.
I ain't
Oh,
dead yet.
Strauss.
No,
Pois.
of course not. That's what
Não,
I
é
was saying.
claro que não.
I...
The debtors, Strauss. Who owes you money?
Well, there's a deserter from Fort Wallace. Head to him first. They're looking for him out on the road near Three Sisters. Man's name is J. John Weathers.
Hey, John Weathers.
Then
J.
there's
John
a
Weathers.
miner over in Annesburg. He's called Arthur.
Se chama
Like you.
Arthur.
Arthur Londonderry.
Arthur
Family man,
Londonderry.
desperate. You know the type.
Couldn't one of the boys do
I
this?
tried. They lacked your vigor.
Vigor, huh?
Vigor, é?
All right.
Take care,
Tá certo.
Mr. Morgan.
Putz, Sr. Morgan.
Long day.
E o Lon.
Hello, old boy. Rest your bones.
Come on, you can do better than that.
I already gave you my best hello.
Okay. I'm sorry. Just a lot on my mind right now.
I'm glad you thought that necessary to liven the mood around here. Give me some space, please. Do you think this is clever?
And morning, Mr. Morgan.
Hi, Dutch.
Good morning.
Folk are getting real jumpy.
Well, tell them to trust me.
I've tried that.
Okay, Arthur.
Tem várias missões pra fazer aqui. Vamos fazer essa aqui da Nisburg.
Watch it.
Sorry there, Dutch.
Mas antes da gente ir lá, vamos explorar essa região aqui.
Fine morning.
What has happened to you?
I don't care what you think.
Mary Beth,
Morning, Arthur.
You okay, friend?
never better.
Nunca estive melhor.
Dutch! You're breaking his heart.
O que é, Xavier?
Did he tell you to say this to me, friend?
No. But I know.
Dutch, and that fool at us here, they're gonna kill every last one of us. I see that now. You need to open your eyes, Javier.
You picked a bad time, Mother.
Easy, you're all... Boy.
Here, Strauss.
I'm
Yeah. Whoa, back.
Aqui é uma região nova.
Easy now. Yep.
Eita porra!
Whoa. Okay, fella.
Direito prisioneiro da corte dos mortos. Senhor, me perdoe pelo que eu fiz. Não pude aguentar outro dia de tortura nas mãos daqueles homens desprezíveis. Gente que aqueles que atiram sua própria vida vão direto para o inferno. Será isso mesmo? Pior do que acontecer nesta caverna infernal. Logo eu verei.
Idiot. Slow it up.
Só tô explorando o mapa aqui. Uma casa aqui, vamos ver.
Easy. Whoa.
Opa! Tem uma região que chove muito. Minha nossa. O que aconteceu aqui? Caiu um meteoro. Uma família inteira caiu. Essa casa parece ter sido atingida por alguma coisa, talvez um meteoro. comércio abandonado. Vamos voltar a fazer uma missão aqui em Johannesburg. Jim Boy Caraway, vamos fazer essa missão. Vamos dar um encerramento no capítulo de Jim Boy Caraway. Vou acabar com esse morfo. O cavalo também é um... Aqui em Johannesburg lá tem hotel? Ah, tem sim. É uma pousada lá. Uhum. Parou de chover, finalmente.
Always reliable, boy.
Williamsburg.
Easy. Whoa. Easy. Easy. Oh, sir.
Welcome, friend. Y'all right there, sir?
Yes. Why?
Been some grip going around here, and I just thought, you know
O
what?
que
Never
você tá
mind.
falando?
What can I do for you? It'd be a lot easier if you once you're all square.
Never listen to me. It's like talking to a goddamn wall.
I've been running horse thieves from vagrants out of Annisburg for 30 years, so don't get above your station.
Vamos ver que peixe tem aqui em Annisburg.
Let's see if anything's biting. Okay. I got some hooked.
Pesquei peixe.
You look pretty revolting.
Nossa, os peixes aqui estão doendo.
You're in luck, my friend. Howdy, Sheriff.
Hello, sir. This must be your first time. I have a good selection of quality weaponry in the catalog here. And anything you like, I can bring out for you. I hear there was a big shootout with the Murford gang in the caves at Beaver Hollow.
Deixa eu ver. Aqui é o dinamite.
Take a look. Check back later for Nicola.
You.
Olá,
I'm looking for Slim Grant, State Marshal. Heard you boys know
delegado
where to find
estadual.
Oh, Mr. Marshall was here last
Oh,
week.
senhor delegado.
He headed up to Beaver Hollow looking for some outlaws.
Is he coming back?
Sure.
Ele vai
When he
voltar.
catches them fellers he's been after.
How long's he been gone?
Well,
Bem, eu
couple
sou o
of
xerife
days.
daqui, né?
Well, you ain't gonna go look for him?
If your boss's boss, who you all hated, went missing, possibly dead, at the hands of a bunch of violent wanted men, would you go looking for him?
Well, yeah, probably,
Oh, right.
because I'm a fool.
Well, when he's dead, maybe I'll become marshal. I'll be a hero riding a horse from town to town, mister. Think of that.
Good luck with those dreams.
Onde nós vai? Ah. Ah, não, não queria fazer isso. Aí ali, ó, perto do rio.
Hey there, mister.
Não, não é aqui nos túneis, não. Cala a boca. limpar ela. Vamos lá. Ringgrade, ah é.
Over here. Hey. Thank God you came, son. They see you. You made short work of them.
You must be Slim Grant. State Marshal. Slim Grant.
Delegado Ringgrade. Esse aqui, galera, é a novela dos pistoleiros lá, quem lembra? Vocês lembram? Novela dos pistoleiros. Vamos lá.
Okay. Let's get you out of here.
Yes. Indeed, son.
Hã?
I need a favor, Mr. Grant. It's nothing big. I'll explain on the way. You might as well relax.
This is real peculiar. I'm state marshal, you know.
Delegado de polícia capturado na Ringgrade.
Yeah, I know.
Fazer um experimento.
Sit tight. All will be revealed.
Now, you gonna tell me what the hell is going on? Here.
I was, before you got so short with me.
Ah, é aqui que eles vão se encontrar ponto de entrega.
Son, what the hell are you up to?
I'm taking you to see an old friend of yours. It's a reunion of sorts.
Uma espécie de
Being so damn cryptic.
I'm telling you all I can. It's a job. Someone wants to see you. I'm taking you to them.
What if I don't want to see them?
Well, that's a good argument for keeping that rope around your wrists.
I'm a state marshal, and this is an abduction.
Horse shit. I'm saving
Your Grant.
What's your name, son?
I ain't got no name, and I ain't your son. Sit tight. Take you to your friend, and this will all be over. This is it. Down here. Almost over, Marshal Grant.
State Marshal Grant.
Yeah, yeah.
Ok, instalar o escritor e o...
So you got him.
I think so.
Ah,
Did you
acho
kill
que
his
sim.
cousin back in '82?
Whose cousin?
My cousin.
Primo de quem?
I never shot no
Oh,
one.
nunca matei quem não
And
merecia.
you shot Jim Galloway. And I told you then I'd shoot you too.
Depois
And I would've. You'd shown up. I was there. No, you
eu
weren't.
tava lá.
Left town.
Não tava. Jim Boy Galloway.
That back. But I don't care now. It's nigh on 20 years ago. We're old men. We're lucky.
Somos velhos, Dick. Tivemos sorte.
You're an old man. Come on, fight me. It's a bit late, isn't it? God damn you!
Oh,
Well, that's
bom,
it.
isso daí tá resolvido. Vamos então. Atirei pelas costas.
Goddamn back!
On these things.
Ah,
God damn you! Goddamn both of you!
Now calm down. Who cares? You should have shot him 20 years ago. Didn't now.
You are a sickness scum like
vocês
you
são uma
and your
doença.
Come on! Draw!
Why?
I said draw, goddammit!
No.
Guys!
Não, sim.
Shit!
Shit.
Shit indeed.
Cheat mesmo. Merda.
At least now you got an end in
Pelo menos
your
você
book.
ganhou um final pro seu livro.
Oh, don't
Ele morreu. Ah, no começo.
No, I'm not starting. I'm happy. I'm free. I can finally go
livre.
back to writing westerns
Voltar a
instead
escrever
of
para o
being
oeste.
in one.
He was
Em vez de
pretty
viver em
wild.
Era bem
Some
doido.
wild people.
It was certainly complicated.
Complicado, sem dúvida.
Shot him.
No, and you
Não,
didn't shoot.
e você não atirou nele.
He did.
Ele
in the
atirou
back, after he
nas costas.
mortally
Depois de
wounded
ter
Slim
ferido
Grant,
de morte o Slim
fair and
Grant.
square.
Yeah.
Ah, então foi
That's it.
esse foi o
Should've
finalmente
done
dos pistoleiros da saga.
More or less, I guess.
Mais ou menos,
There's
eu acho.
more?
Oh, well, there's always folks who shoot you in the
Oh,
back
sempre vai ter
and
gente que vai te
rewrite
atirar de
history.
Oh, hey, where do I send the money?
Ô, ei,
Send
para
him
onde eu envio o dinheiro?
Texas Kilgore. No, that ain't my
Taxicos
real
e o
name.
Gol. E não, esse não é meu nome real. O mais nobre dos homens, parte. Orzinho Quente. Ah, agora eu tenho um revólver do Jim Boy Galloway. Haha. Como é essa arma lá? Tá escrito 15. Agora é o segredo, galera, da arma, ó. Sai daí, seu animal. Vou me livrar das testemunhas. Nossa senhora! Queimou todo o corpo do Jim Boy, cara. Agora vocês vão estar juntos pra eternidade. Vamos cair fora. Vamos aproveitar que estamos aqui. Vamos fazer aquela visita viúva. De novo, outro idiota.
Whiskey? Understand?
I
Whiskey?
don't see. No puedo.
What? Yeah.
Ah, vamos acampar então. Hoje eu vou fazer essa última missão, galera, da viúva aqui. Esperar cozinhar aqui o Arthur. O Arthur já tá doente, ó, seus sintomas. Fica tossindo. Café não tem mais de comprar. Vamos lá, voltei pra ver o Calloway e o Lex. O Calloway ainda agindo como um palhaço. Bêbado, me fez sequestrar um adversário antigo. Sim, Slink Grant e eles quebraram atirando nos outros. Calloway se viu contra mim. Quanto menos e fala melhor, mas o Levin tem um livro e vou voltar para a escolaridade. A vida de atirador não é para mim. Prefiro matar honestamente, sem pretensões. Ó, o Jim Calloway morto.
Come on, pal.
Uma manhã bonita, linda, hein?
Okay then.
Ah, é a mulher sozinha rezando.
You all right there?
Who are you?
Oh, it's okay,
Quem é
ma'am.
você?
I don't mean you know.
Tudo bem, senhor, eu não vou te machucar.
Well, it makes no difference now.
Bem, já não faz mais
If an
diferença.
outlaw or wild animal doesn't get me
Então,
starvation.
animal, a fome irá.
We came out here from the city in search of a
Nós
different
saímos da
life.
cidade e viemos pra cá em busca de uma vida
Something
melhor.
True, something
E algo verdadeiro.
all this squandering and indulgence, we wanted to strip it away to find something authentic. What a pair of fools.
Que dupla de idiotas.
Is there a train station?
Tem alguma
in town
estação
I
de
can
trem na
take
cidade
you
pra
to?
onde
No,
possa
I
levar
can't give
você?
them now.
Eu não posso
He
desistir
wouldn't want
agora.
that.
E não
I
iria
can-
querer fazer isso. Não posso fazer isso.
I'm gonna do this for you, Cal.
Well,
Bom, eu vou
I'll leave you to it.
deixar você em paz.
Is there anything left for you to eat?
Sobrou alguma coisa pra você comer?
Nothing.
Nada.
No, we didn't know the first thing about hunting.
Nós não sabíamos nada sobre caçar.
Couldn't even catch a darn mouse.
Não conseguimos pegar nenhum camundongo.
If you need any poisonous berries, though, I'm a natural at finding those.
Well,
Ah, bom,
you ain't gonna last much longer out here.
você não vai durar muito aqui neste lugar. Se não souber caçar.
Come on. I'll show you.
Come on. Vou te mostrar.
All right,
Certo?
but you better not try any funny business.
Mas é melhor não tentar
I may
nenhuma.
be weak, but I still know how to
sabe
stand
que-
up for myself.
Ah,
No doubt. Come on.
bem.
Tell me, you ever skin an animal before?
No, but then again, I haven't caught much of anything either.
Well, you'll need to know how to do both if you're gonna survive out here.
I am all too aware. So where should we head for?
Let's try in the trees down there near the river. What happened to your husband, if you don't mind me asking?
A bear got him. It was horrifying. He survived for a couple of days. I buried him a week ago.
I'm sorry.
This was really his dream more than mine. I'd have up the next train back to Chicago and sent the word. But now, I don't know. It's hard to explain. I have to do this.
I understand. Stay here, boy. Yes, this is a good spot.
What are we looking for?
Well, I think we should start with something small, don't
Uma
you?
pequena não acha?
I kill it, you skin it. Sound fair?
Skin it. But I don't even have a knife with me.
Don't worry, you won't need one. Now, take a look around for any movement.
I don't see anything.
Just get.
É,
Your eyes peeled.
o Bart tá ensinando ela a caçar.
Rabbit. Okay, stay quiet and still watch me. Got it.
Oh, good shot.
Okay, go on. Time to get your hands dirty.
How do I mean, what do I do?
Just hold the legs tight and pull the skin away quickly. Should come right off.
Aê, não.
It worked.
That's all there is to it. You did good.
I think I've seen enough blood for one day. Do you mind if we head back now?
Sure. I'll walk you back. You did good. That should keep you fed for a few days.
Oh, yes. At least. Thank you so much.
I mean, it really ain't such a bad spot. Got a good water source.
Ah, uma boa fonte de água, né?
You can survive here all right.
I have no doubt that one can survive here. Whether Charlotte Balfour can is a different matter entirely. You've probably lived
Charlotte, seu nome?
A lot of it, that's for sure.
I barely left the city before coming here. Cal spent his summers growing up at his grandparents' lodge in Maine, but I get the impression they did more punting than hunting.
Right.
Oh. Lord. No. We're done for. Please. Oh, thank God. You see, if you hadn't been here, I'd be dead now.
You got a rifle?
Yes. Well, my husband's.
I suggest you
Então
learn
aprende a
how to
usar
use
aí.
it. Now, come on, let's get you home.
Since we got here, it feels like every step forward has come with 100 steps back. People always talk about the simplicity of country life, but there's nothing simple about any of this.
I guess we only know what we know.
Oh, please. I'm sure it wouldn't take you too long to adjust to a life of privilege and indolence in the big city.
I don't know about that. It sounds awful.
Oh, it is. A truly empty and boring existence. But an undeniably easy one. I still can't believe he's gone.
Ah, aqui é a sua casa. Legal. É Charlotte, seu nome.
Thank you. That was the first time anyone's done anything nice for us. For me. Since we got here.
Nature provides, but she sure don't always make it easy.
That she doesn't. I'd invite you in, but I'm dead on my feet, if you'll forgive the pun. Please do call again sometime, though. A good rest, and hopefully I'll be a new woman.
You take care, man.
Então aqui mora a Charlotte. É, galera, acho que tá bom por hoje. Já fiz muitas missões aleatórias aqui, né? Vou descansar no meu acampamento.
Just minding my own business.
You goddamn idiot. You don't want to see what happens if you don't leave.
Let's see it.
O que aconteceu aqui? Tá sendo assaltado.
So,
É um desfiladeiro aqui.
yep. Come on. Whoa.
Tem uma casa aqui. Que casa é essa? Tem que morar alguém aqui? Ah, uma casa aleatória eu achei aqui. Ah, café em boa. É o que eu precisava. Já é quase 2 horas de gameplay também, já é o tempo padrão. O que acontece se eu dormir aqui? Ah, à noite. Não, uma casa confortável, caminha. Na casa alguém mora aqui, né? Não acabamos de conhecer a viúva Charlotte.
Oh.
O que foi isso?
Easy. Yep. Hey there.
Ah, na próxima parte eu tenho...
Hey! Hey, who?
Engraçado, vai acabar.
I'll kill all of you. Goddamn lunatics.
Os Murphys ainda. Vou extinguir vocês já tá.
Yep.
Segundo encontro com esses lunáticos.
Who goes there? Just me. You can tell me later.
Pô, vocês estavam perto aqui e não me ajudaram.
I apologize in advance for this stew. It needs better meat. Thank you. Very good. We were getting low. Many thanks.
Evening, Arthur.
Good night. A stew without good meat is no stew at all, Mr. Morgan. Good job, Arthur. Sure. Might as well make some money off it. Just make sure it goes into the pot, not your pocket. Well done, Mr. Morgan. Thank you, Arthur.
Cadê o cacife pra ajudar aqui?
Good evening.
Evening, Morgan.
Reverend.
Hello, Arthur.
Hi, Tilly.
Hello.
Evening.
Have a good evening.
Oh, there he is. Coffin Billy.
Vai
You'll
se
be
danar.
okay, Arthur? And if you ain't, we'll all miss you. I'll be in hell like eagerly awaiting your arrival. I will miss our conversations, Arthur. I really will. I won't. You're a snake.
You need some new lines, Morgan.
Okay, I'm sorry. Just out of my mind right now.
Well, I'm glad to hear it.
Why are you prowling around here? You are allowed to think for yourself, you know.
I don't want to hear it, Arthur.
You're a grown man.
You think this is funny?
Use your goddamn brain.
I don't have the energy for this.
Todo mundo com os ânimos à flor da pele.
Tomorrow's another day. You okay? You seem nervous.
Of course I'm nervous. This is a nightmare.
Amistad. Lá vai o Xavier cantar.
Worried. Really worried. Me too, Uncle. Don't happen, you know? To everybody. I guess folks is gonna make a choice. Whether they live or die. And you? I don't have that choice no more. I'm just trying to help others see clearly. That's my choice. You're a good man, Arthur Morgan.
Bom, good man.
Mentiras son también. Son mentiras los dulces juramentos que pronuncian sus labios de carmín. Son palabras que al nacer las lleva el viento de los prados a los bosques
O Xavier canta, né?
del confín.
Hey, Jack.
Evening,
Hey,
Arthur.
Jack.
You okay?
Can I go play with the skulls?
No. Just stay away from that cave.
Sure, Uncle Arthur.
É, galera, curtindo um pouco o acampamento aqui, né? A galera do acampamento tá meio dividida.
It's all over. All over. I don't want to die. Not like this. Not. I don't want that. I don't. You. Yeah. It's all so sad, Mr. Morgan. So very sad.
Okay, I think I should get some...
Eu,
I don't know. I don't know.
você vai sobreviver, Pearson, não se preocupe.
Mr. Pearson. Hey. How you doing?
We're falling apart here, Mr. Morgan.
We can still turn things around.
Well, sure.
Let's hope for an uneventful evening.
Josiah? How you doing there?
What has happened to you lot? At each other's throats?
It's been a rough couple of months.
Sounds good.
Look at you, boy. Bunch of loners. Things ain't that bad. Things is
Evening.
fine. Almost dandy. Unlike most of you whiners, I've been in some real tight spots. And this ain't even a goddamn spot, let alone a tight one. I felt rope around my neck more than once. Don't scare me. This don't scare me neither, not one little bit.
pouco.
Where I see it, these things prove what you made of, prove what you is. And right now, too many of yous is proving precisely what you...
Ah, tem essa missão do prefeito Henry Lemos.
is, and it's like something I went and skipped it. No offense, mind. At least not to them that's gonna quit moaning.
Mr. Morgan?
Vamos passar mais uma noite descansando. Cozinhar, tomar um café.
Master.
Don't you start, Morgan.
Hey, Trevor.
Greetings.
Hey, Uncle.
Yep.
Vamos descansar, galera, e passar mais uma noite. A gente vê na próxima parte, então. A próxima parte, então, a gente vai salvar o John Marston. Hoje veio mais pra explorar, fazer reconhecimento da prisão em Sisica. Na próxima parte, a gente vai salvar o John Marston da prisão. Ele tem em Sisica. Vai ser uma das missões principais que a gente faz. Resgate ao John Marston. Hoje serviu pra fazer o reconhecimento, conhecer, terminar a missão do Tim Boy Calloway, dos pistoleiros e também da sequência, conhecer a Viúva Charlotte. Então, vamos salvar aqui. Deixa eu ver o modo história aqui. Vou salvar direto para o acampamento. O mais nobre dos homens e uma mulher, parte 5. Calloway quer resolver negócios antigos com Slim Red, delegado de estado. Então é isso aí,